Hey, I'm Seth, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So last time we talked about Anja, or the third eye chakra, basically the perception chakra. And today we're going to talk about crown chakra, which is basically let's say the connection chakra, or the higher plane chakra, something like that. It's a beautiful chakra. It's called Sahasrara. Sahasrara. Lord Christ. I'm gonna cut this out, but basically, give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna cut this out.
Sahasrara Chakra.
Sahasrara. Yes. Okay. So, all right. The chakra is called Sahasrara chakra. And basically what it means is unlimited or 1,000 petals. It's supposed to be said for that because the chakra, people sometimes say that it's 1,000 petals laid over in 20 layers. It's a really cool concept. Basically it governs consciousness, connection to source, highest potential, enlightenment, devotion, vision, unity, knowledge, wisdom, like a lot of stuff like that basically has to do with kind of seeing and understanding outside of yourself from like a more connected, a higher perspective, right? Like, so interesting about this chakra, it's really when it's over or underactive, I feel like when it's overactive, I feel like it's very apparent because you feel like you're detached from reality, right? And I'm going to start with underactive like I usually do. So basically, underactive can lead to apathy, pain, diseases, migraines, sleep dysfunction, loneliness, isolation. Honestly, an underactive crown chakra is probably one of the ones that you don't want to really have to be underactive because you don't want to lose your connection to source. Being in the what I call it the ether, I think it's the crown chakra is our portal to the ether, or our connection to the ether. And the more and more you use your crown chakra, the more connected and able to tap into source, kind of that infinite intelligence that we had talked about before, we will address later if we haven't. Overactive is funny because I just wrote homeless. And I think that I wrote that because at the end of the day, like with an overactive chakra, there's a tons of problems that can be associated, like insomnia and not being able to focus correctly, and maybe being too active and being kind of all over the place. Like, there's a couple things with an overactive crown chakra. Most of the time I would say a lot of people don't have overactive crown chakras. Not that it's not possible, but I feel like if you have an overactive crown chakra, like way too overactive, you kind of wind up homeless. Tell me if I'm right, wrong in the comments. I think it's kind of a funny concept. So tips: seek out inspiration, like do your affirmations. Restore and like reaffirm your beliefs, and make sure that you know like who you are and what you want. You understand where you're going, and then boom, source will hit you with the knowledge that you need to be able to do that. Get outdoors, like I've heard that just like jumping towards the sky with your hands outstretched is really good for crown chakra, just because it's reaching up to the heavens essentially. It's a very interesting concept, but to balance this chakra, when this chakra is balanced, you will experience heightened levels of manifestation, heightened levels of connection, a certain sense of purpose and power that you might have felt getting, unlocking kind of and balancing these two chakras, but it takes it to the next level because the interpretation, it's like funneling that power to be interpreted by your next two chakras, and it really changes the way you look at things and you understand things, because you're able to tap into a different source that before you're not thinking about or even considering. And then once you balance the chakra and you get it working correctly and get it flowing, it becomes a whole different concept. It's beautiful. The associated sound is Om, so it's Om, Om, like Om. You understand? So another thing is amethyst, apophyllite, Sugilite, any purple crystals, like deep blue as well will help. I love you all. Actually, wait. I actually have to tell a story about. Sorry, guys. I haven't recorded a video for a few days, so I got a little sidetracked and kind of, But basically, this crown chakra story. My God. I'm gonna put it at the beginning of the next video. Tune in. Have a blessed day, guys. Like, comment, share. Thank you very much for sticking around with me. This has concluded the chakras. I'm going to talk about them slightly in the next video, just to recap and sum up everything up. So, I'll talk to you guys soon. Love you all. Peace, blessings. Out.